Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC, hitting you guys with another video today. We are working on the VRD Mullet today. So this is another little winter project that I have. I figured I'd share this with you guys. You know, starting the build, having a little Coke. All right, we're about to start working on the front axle. Put the diff together, obviously, and start working on the next one. So the rear axle, of course, is next, which will be the portal axle. All right, got your frame rails right here. We just got finished building the VRD straight axle builder's kit. And we just threw some tires on it just to obviously make it a roller chassis for now. We're gonna add some electronics, obviously steering servo, motor, ESC, etc. And we'll get that thing up and running soon. Definitely stay tuned, guys. I'll make a video of this truck also and do a first test run with you guys. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So just got everything a little bit organized and situated here, so at least I can start working on the vehicle. Usually this is what I do. Actually, this is exactly what I do. I try to treat it like how I work, you know, on an actual job, my plumbing jobs, stuff like that. So try to organize everything that is in reference to the next part or piece. So, you know, I kind of kept everything together and then organized it. So all the bearings are in one area. You have different sets of screws, different sets, you know, different sizes and stuff like that. You know, I just set them all separately just so at least I can, it's a little bit easier for me to find. And I can see exactly, boom, if I pick it up, I know maybe there's 3 left, you know, or there's 8 left or whatever it is. But, you know, it kind of makes it easier for me to see exactly what's going on. And maybe this will be a little tip for you guys. You know, if you guys are building kits, you know, this makes it a little bit easier. You know, just put everything, you know, in its place and you can kind of just grab what you need, you know. So like I'm about to put this diff together, and all the 6 screws to put into this diff is right there. So everything is right here for me to start working on, you know. So we have the screws, we have the bearings that we're going to be using, you know, we have the grease over here, etc. So everything is very accessible and ready for me to go. All right, stay tuned. We're about to knock this one out next. All right, guys, we are on to bag B. Bag B is the rear axle, the rear portal axle. So here we are, we're working on the rear portal axle. All right. Like I said, keep everything all organized so at least you know where everything is. And we're good to go. So front axle is all assembled already, guys. Front axle is all good. Steering is all connected. Just have to hook up a steering servo, of course, and on to the next piece. All right, guys, we have the rear portal axle all put together for the Mullet build. All right, she's looking good. So we have the rear axle all done. We have the front axle all done. And we are on to bag C now, guys. So bag C, I believe we have to start, we have to start dealing with the frame. So I can pull the frame rails out, start messing with that, put the frame rails together, and that's our next step. All right, guys, so here I am laying everything out to do the frame installation, you know, basically start getting all that assembled, links, chassis braces, back to the build. All right, guys, the chassis is all done. All right, we got the skid plate in there. We got the links all set up, ready to go. Axles, like I said, they're ready to go. All right, we're on to bags. What is this? All right, we're on to bag D now. Transmission. All right. All right, let's knock this transmission out next. All right, guys, the VRD Mullet. She's all done now, guys. Got your party in the back. Got your business in the front. Nice. Do some painting, obviously. This is the VRD straight axle. So we finished both kits same day. Definitely can't wait to get these things out on the rocks. Definitely stay tuned to your guy Rock. All right. Hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC car you guys have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Rockside out.